Are you using both Monday.com and ServiceNow in your organization and struggling to collaborate across multiple platforms and keep everyone on the same page? Integrating Monday.com with ServiceNow will help you streamline the processes and provide cross-platform visibility. At Empyra, we have integrated Monday.com with ServiceNow for several customers, enabling bidirectional synchronization between both platforms. By getting these two disparate systems to talk to each other, we can help you achieve real-time cross-platform visibility, better collaboration, and faster results. You can set up recipes and triggers and map fields according to your requirements, which gives you control to utilize this integration to the fullest. The expert integration team at Empyra ensures that the Monday.com and ServiceNow are always in sync, which helps you serve your customers better and improve productivity. We specialize in integrating Monday.com with other platforms. We are here to help you. Contact Empyra today.